The first one we're gonna try, this is the blue one. It's a green version, but this one is number 1. I have pulled the pin. Oh yeah! That was a big bang. Next one. This is 2-second fuse, so I'm just gonna drop it because the other one was a 3.5 seconds. So here we go. Oh yeah! A little smaller bang, I think. I think that was a smaller bang. Now we got this old one with nothing inside. So let's hear the bang. I'm gonna drop it because this is a 2 seconds. Whoa! That one was a little bit bigger than the first blue one. I'm definitely sure. And here we can see the impact point. This is the blue one, and this one was the last one. And I think maybe that was from the other one. But nice impact. And the other one. Oh, we can clean this one up. The handles normally survive, so there's a bit from one of them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little test. There's one more handle. I'm gonna pick up the pieces and recycle them. Yep, that's what we'll on to the next one. Hey.